Water damage to the Museum of Discovery in Little Rock is much more substantial than originally thought.
Originally, that damage, which was caused by busted pipes, was estimated to be a couple $100,000. Now it's estimated to be north of $1 million. Our Haley Brooks tells us why.
That's the thing about a flood. Water just permeates everything.
The beloved Museum of Discovery is almost unrecognizable as crews are dealing with the fallout of broken pipes.
Cleaning up and ripping out all the carpets ripped out, the drywall, the sheetrock is being ripped out.
Museum CEO Kelly Bass says the cleanup is uncovering just how bad things are.
Flooring and walls and just the damage to the actual building and some of the contents, they're thinking about $1.5 million.
Possibly millions more lost in 2 of the 3 galleries that had standing water ankle deep in some spots.
These exhibits are almost all of them have a lot of electronic components to them, and so if they got wet, the chances are they're not going to work.
To give you an idea on the price tag, 9 years ago, the museum invested $5.5 million in 80 exhibits. Bass says he expects at least half to be completely ruined.
If taking on water rendered them ruined and non-functional, then a lot of them are, because they all got rained on really hard.
The silver lining?
We'll be able to bring in some new stuff so that when someone comes back to the museum, when we're completely back going and we have our new exhibits and say, wow, this is cool. You know, they didn't used to have this one.
A reopening date has not yet been set, but Bass says they hope to be open by June 1st, just in time for summer camps.
We just want to see those smiling faces again.
In Little Rock, I'm Haley Brooks.
In addition to new exhibits, Bass says several areas of the museum might look different once they reopen. If you'd like to support the museum, head over to our website, krk.com.